I want to introduce my Lunar New Year quilt, and this quilt is based on artwork from the Lunar New Year art book. I was given permission to print some of the images, and I printed a bunch of them, but I lost some of them, and this is what the quilt is going to be so far. We have a lot of different pieces of artwork that were printed on spoonflower. Then I got a bunch of different kinds of fabric and colors that kind of work the same. We stitched them together, and I'm making a border for it now. I like this border. It's a style that I learned at the Now Defunct I'm so sad. And in this border, you cut strips of fabric of different widths, and then you stitch them together, basically. And they're the same fabrics that were used in the quilt, and hopefully it'll be quite pretty. Adding a different twist here, like so that we can have transitions of fabric in the border components, which I don't know how that's going to look, but could be interesting. We also have an error. There's one of these I stitched accidentally in the wrong direction, and then I consider that a feature. It's a very evident mistake, and if possible, we will include it in our quilt. And it also exposes the fact that I used black thread or dark blue thread to stitch all of this. And I thought, oh, nobody's ever going to see that. Well, I was wrong.